is a really nice property offered by the Russell Shaw Group in Chandler, just minutes from the freeway. There's a nice sized living room as you enter the home, which leads into the kitchen, which is actually a very nice sized kitchen with stainless steel appliances and hickory cabinets. Opens up to a family room with a great fireplace for family gatherings. Down the hallway, of course, there's a hall bathroom. It's actually a decent sized hall bathroom. And then there's 3 bedrooms. All the doors are raised panel doors. Second bedroom does have its own walk-in closet. Master has a walk-in closet as well, which is good sized. And the master bathroom. Stepping outside off the kitchen is a sizable laundry room with laundry tub and folding counter. Plenty of storage cabinets too. Has 2 RV gates and a garage that's actually large enough to accommodate a small RV. Here's another view of the 2 RV gates, the large lot, the detached garage, and there's also a play area for the kids that has sand for its base. Stepping inside the detached garage, there's plenty of room in here for storage, for use as a workshop, and with its extended height garage door, could even accommodate a small RV. On the side there's more storage space, or it can also be used for a workshop. Be sure to check out this property today.